The question says, in which of the following case would be probability of finding an electron residing in a dxy orbital be 0? Okay, the plane where there is a 0 probability of finding electron is there is known as nodal plane. Okay, and always keep in mind nodal plane, the value of nodal plane depends on azimuthal quantum number L. Okay, it depends on azimuthal quantum number L. Okay, so if s orbital is there, pay attention carefully. If we have s orbital is there, so L value will be 0. So in this case nodal plane will be 0. If p orbital is there, so L value will be 1. So for p orbital, I am talking about single orbital, not I am talking about subcell. Okay, p orbital nodal plane will be 1. If I mention px or py or pz, nodal plane will be 1. And if we talk about d orbital, let's say we have dxy, so in this case L value will be 2. So nodal planes will be 2. Okay, always keep in mind here we have, let's say orbitals are there, orbitals, and this is what we have, nodal plane are there, nodal plane. Pay attention carefully. If dxy orbital is there, so nodal plane will be 2. In this case where there is a 0 possibility of finding electron is there. Okay, and planes will be, we have yz and z axis there. These two planes are there where 0 possibility of finding electron is there. If we mention dyz is there, so in this case also nodal plane will be 2. It is what zx and this is what xy is there. Okay, if I mention dzx, in this case also nodal planes will be 2. We can mention this is what xy and it is yz is there. Always keep in mind dx square minus y square and dz square do not have nodal plane. Okay, so for dxy, what are the nodal planes? So we have 2 nodal planes, but we have yz as well as zx. Any option matching here, you can see yz and zx. Option C is correct. Okay, always keep in mind the value of nodal plane depends on azimuthal quantum number L. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.